We just had a very busy moment. Yes, we did. We ate, we drank, we went outside, and we partied. And now we're going to take a nap. Yes. Okay, guys. This is the moment when Hero meets Madison. Come up, Bubbles. You have to meet Madison. She's gonna be the one that you're gonna protect. You're gonna be her hero, Hero. Get ready. Get ready. Here we go. Daddy's preparing her because she has no idea you're here. Your whole life is going to change. Get ready. Here we go. I think she's coming. I think she's coming. Hi.
Hi.
Madison, meet Hero.
Oh my god, I'm literally about to cry over cuteness.
It's okay. Sit down.
This is Hero. Hero is your hero.
He won't scratch you like the cats do.
He is just a baby,
He's only 6 weeks old.
so he's very tired and he wants nice cuddles. Oh, see? What do you think?
I love him. And what type of breed is he?
He's an American Bulldog.
We think he's more bulldog, but he might have some other mix in him. But
And he has all the same colors.
he does.
His name's Hero. And he's an American Bulldog.
Are you ready for taking care of a puppy?
Yes, my whole life ready.
Now, as you smell like this,
You gotta be
pick
careful
him
with
up. I want you to pick him up with both hands. Okay?
it. And you have to remember, he's just like a baby right now.
Yep, hold him tight. He's okay. You have to cradle him.
He
because
really likes
right now,
his ears scratched.
yes, he's used to being all snuggled up with his brothers and sisters.
And now he doesn't have his brothers and sisters anymore, so you're now his brothers and sisters.
I'm his sister now.
He's your hero. Happy
Okay.
Hero Day.